This is brush fixing. Now she's fixing the line and giving the supply and bending the brush to fix it to the handle. This is the line. Now you can see that she's warming it up and she's bending it thoroughly and fixing to the handle. You have to hold it for about 2 to 3 minutes after fixing it. Now it's fixed. Again, now she's bending the one. Warming it up. And plug it into the handle. It's very easy. It won't take much of time. You can see, and after that you have to hold it for about 2 minutes. That's finished. There you see. Okay. So this is the machine what we have been using. There is a transformer here. The two lines are coming out from the line, and either from this side or the other side you can warm it up from the other side. Okay, thank you.